I made $500 last weekend flipping these bubble blasters. They cost me $7 and I sell these for $20. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. Now, speaking about where I ship these, let me explain to you exactly how, again, I got these to scale on eBay. So I had to bundle them at first because I saw when I listed one, yes, I was getting sales, but they were people buying multiple quantities. Now you might be like, well, why didn't you just do that? Well, see, the problem I was coming across was shipping. Shipping started to become a bit annoying, right? So I stopped doing the free shipping. I made them actually pay for shipping, and I ended up bundling. Now they're getting more value. They're giving me more positive feedback. I'm really just getting feedback from people that are happy because they're surprising their kids with this toy, or they're just coming clutch so their kid doesn't want it inside the amusement park, or they just may have picnics or events coming up where they need these. I also sold 30 of these to a nonprofit. I'm telling you right now, this toy, or whatever you want to call this accessory, is something that I was not expecting to sell so well. This thing is kicking butt. And what we do, right, if we wanted to do this free shipping, we would go ahead and we would sell it for $15 and we do $4.99 shipping added, it would be $20. If we want to have the customer pay for the shipping, if you want to create a illusion, list these for $15 or $14.99, and then make sure that you put the custom shipping at $4.99, and you're going to be able to sell. These are going to take you to a height on eBay or Mercari or wherever you're listing them, to where you're actually building your brand, not by just what the product is. Like, the product doesn't just represent your brand, but it's the fact that maybe they'll rate you 5 stars, or they say fast shipping. Like, those are the type of reviews you want, because they'll help you scale your platform either way. Okay, so how do I really move volume? So again, bundles. Also, when I go out, I'm looking for events that are happening each weekend. Now, making $500 a weekend is literally easy because you're putting this product in front of a bunch of people that are not buying just off of impulse. They're also buying off of influence. Now, stay with me, right? I am a parent, okay? I have 2 children, and I don't usually buy them like lightsabers and stuff when we go to the circus and stuff. I don't usually buy those. But I can tell you, kids are often influenced by what they see, and they ask their parents. Now, here's where we win. Usually when a parent is walking away, if you're a parent, you know what I mean, and saying, no, we can't get that, it's because it's extremely high. Our $7 price point allows you to be able to get these at a really affordable price and be able to upsell it to a relatable, reliable price that people can resonate with. $20 is not a lot of money. 4th of July, we out there. We're going to be outside, and we're probably going to sell them for like $35 at that point, because it's not about it being relatable or having a great price. It's really about the convenience of us being able to provide these products to the children for a cheaper rate than what they probably will be able to get at the park when they go to see the fireworks. So it's all about understanding that you don't just want to sell online, you want to sell in person too. And I guarantee you guys, if you guys do get these, you're going to be able to sell them, okay? Now, where can you get these? You can get these at wesply.com. This is one of our seasonal gadgets, okay? So you just go to the menu, hit seasonal gadgets, and the bubble guns are there. You can buy 1, you can buy 4, you can buy 6 or 12, and I guarantee you guys, you will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I just had to come and I had to share with you guys the success that I was getting with this, and I really appreciate everybody that has watched, everybody that has supported me. If you have not already, make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at Hustlertaughtme, but also follow my gadget review channel, which is Gadget Hustle. Okay, that is on YouTube. That is where I'll be doing more in-depth product reviews and also testing a bunch of different things that you can actually buy. See, what cracks me up is a lot of these review channels, they'll go and they'll review products that maybe we can't afford at the moment, right? I don't want to review the new iPhone, the 18 Pro Max. I want to review products that people actually are looking to sell, so they know exactly what they're getting, and I don't want to have any favoritism. So when I get products from my distributor, I want to test them live on camera, tell you if it's a no or if it's a go, right? Let you know exactly how the product feels, how it operates, right? And basically how it sells. Now, then it's up to you to see if you want to actually utilize this, but I think this is a really great way to tie into our Hustler network, okay? Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'm about to actually ship these out to another customer. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.